What if I tell you that acupuncture can help with depression? Hi, how you doing? My name is Fitz. I'm the acupuncture physician out of Miami, Florida, and I'm here to tell you that, believe it or not, acupuncture can help with depression. Now, most of y'all probably never had acupuncture before or don't know what it is. Acupuncture is a form of medicine. Now it's called Eastern medicine. So Western medicine is what your regular doctor does. Your MD does. We do as acupuncture physicians, we do Eastern medicine and some Western medicine too, as far as knowledge in that. And our body has a whole bunch of what we call acupuncture points or meridians and channels. These points does certain things. For instance, there's a point between our thumb and our index finger, right in the crease. It's called LI4, large intestinal 4. Most of these channels, most of them, not all of them, are named after organs. Spleen 9, or spleen 6, or gallbladder 34, as examples. And they have some who are just who don't have who are not named after organs. That's a dude channel. But so, but the purpose of this video is to talk about how exciting research on acupuncture with depression. People do suffer from depression now. Chronic now, everyone gets depressed here and there. That's okay. It becomes the issue when it's chronic depression, when it's depression every day, every week, every month. When it becomes chronic, then it becomes an issue. We all have ups and downs. Some days, we're excited, we're happy. Some days we're a little, down or something, but not too down. But then we get back up again. That's okay. But when it's constant or chronic depression, then we have an issue here because people with chronic depression, they feel horrible. Um, Thoughts go through their head. They feel like they're alone. They feel like they have no hope. But I'm here to tell people who suffer from depression that there is hope. Okay, you're not alone. You have family and friends, coworkers who love you and care for you. There's no reason to think that you are handling this condition alone because you're not. We're all in this together. We are all in this together. And I got some good news for people suffering with depression. I have some good news. All right. More research is being done overall on depression, but especially with acupuncture. Acupuncture is a way to help people with depression. In fact, I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you what I mean right now. Oops, hold up. All right, see, this is this is let's read what it says here. Okay, so research suggests. Actually, let's do it this way. So that's what I want to show y'all real quick. So yeah, research suggests that electrical acupuncture, right? Research Check it out. Research suggests that electrical acupuncture may be effective for treating depression, potentially with fewer side effects than some antidepressant medication. Listen to what I just said now. Acupuncture, especially electrical acupuncture, can help people with depression with little to no side effects. And I'm gonna tell you, most of the time is like no side effects. All right. Antidepressant drugs come with a lot of side effects. They tell you in the commercials, um, ironically, some of the antidepressant drugs, one of the other side effects are suicidal thoughts. And I want to be very clear. This video is definitely for educational purposes only. You should always talk to your regular doctor about anything. Okay, do not stop taking any medication. Do not stop doing anything unless you talk to a doctor. Always remember that. Don't If you're on medicine right now and you want to get off, talk to your doctor. Don't talk to me unless 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 I'm your doctor. But then I don't recommend drugs. I recommend herbal formulas. That besides the point. So I wanted to show you this to show you that acupuncture, it works on depression. All right, and so now Some studies show that electrical acupuncture alone has the therapeutic effect equal to certain antidepressants. Again, some studies show that electrical acupuncture alone has therapeutic effect equal to certain antidepressants. You don't understand how big, how wonderful that sounds. Because if we able to treat people for depression without any drugs, whew, because again, some drugs, a lot of them do have side effects, and we don't want that. Also, combining electrical acupuncture with antidepressants may enhance the overall benefit. See, so we're not even saying people should stop taking antidepressants. We're not saying that, but uh, electrical acupuncture plus antidepressants can even, in some cases, work even better than just antidepressants alone or acupuncture alone. Okay. A meta-analysis indicates that electrical acupuncture can reduce depression severity scores. Now that's very important. That's a that's very important right now. All right. Listen, meta-analysis indicates that electrical acupuncture can reduce depression severity scores. Wow. Right. The overall quality of evidence for some comparisons is low to moderate, suggesting a need for more large-scale, high-quality scale. Yeah, just like every research, article that always ends is needs more research, which is true. Everything needs more research. Okay. Um, So, electric acupuncture protocols for depression vary, but frequently involve 3 to 5 treatments. So, if a patient comes to me and has depression, of course, I'm gonna do my exam. I'm gonna do my complete full exam, and then I'm gonna do an AcuGraph system. What is AcuGraph? AcuGraph system is actually pretty cool. Chat. It's a device. It's a scanning scanning software that let me find your example here. So what I do, I scan my patients with this. It takes about 5 minutes to scan, and then we get to see in graph form what's going on. Let me give me a second. Give me a second here. Give me a second, y'all. Let me try to. I have one. I'm not getting paid by them. I just love their product. So just to get that. Okay, there's a website right here. Um, so let me see if y'all can see this. No, I can't see. Hmm. It has to be in this page, right? You know what? I'm trying to find an image for y'all, but that's okay. Can't find the image here. Can't find the image here. But the thing is, I use the Acugraph system. The Acugraph system measures the channels if it's balanced or not in our body, and that can tell us what's going on in the body holistically. As acupuncturists, we can use that information, and also along with my own exam, we can come up with the best treatment plan for you when it comes to depression. Now, if you're getting treatment for depression, it's not gonna be a one-time treatment. And it's not a one-time treatment and that's it. That's not how it works. Okay, it's gonna take several treatments. I don't know. After I do my exam, I can give you an idea of how many treatments that you may need, but there's no magic number. It could be 3, it could be 6, it could be 9, it could be ongoing. It could be indefinite until you actually feel better. But the point is, if we can make you feel better on the depression severity score after acupuncture, that's a win. That's a W for us, right? So so the good again, once again, the good news is that if you have chronic depression, there's hope for y'all. There's hope. You're not alone. Okay, we're all in this together. You have family, friends, and coworkers and pets that love you. Okay. Don't ever feel like you have no one to talk to. Don't ever feel like you have nowhere to go. There's always somebody out there trying to help you. All right, trust me. Okay, so that's all I want to say about acupuncture for depression. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and let's go to the channel. All right, let's go to the channel.